the strategies you need to implement Facebook ad performance. So by the end of this, we're going to get this strategy on how you can be able to improve your Facebook ad performance in case you are getting a lower result on your Facebook ad. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So now, the first step you need to do when you want to start running adverts on Facebook. So number one first step is that define your advertising goals. Know the kind of ad you want to run. So you cannot just go jump into Facebook ad manager and dashboard and start typing all the buttons there, just start to create your ad. So first you need to understand what type of ad that is suit for that particular business that you want to promote. So in Facebook ad now, they have a lot of ad campaigns. So like you can create an awareness, engagement, traffic, sales, so they have a lot of campaigns. So it's not for you to understand the kind of ad that you want to run. It's either sending your audience to your website to purchase a product, or you want them to interact with that website, or you also want to send them to your WhatsApp DM so that they can message you there. So you just need to calculate all this and to check if this is right for the particular business that you want to run. So the number two step is that choosing the right ad format. So by choosing the right ad format now, for an example, if you want to sell a product which requires video, because it's not all products that requires images, someone need video. For an example, now you want to sell a blender. So you want to sell a blender, you cannot just go post a blender of that image. So just post the image of that blender, then start running adverts to it. Yes, we know blender, we know how it works, but what make your own so special? So you can just use a 30 minutes video, or no, 30 minutes video is too much. So that is an ad. You can just use like 30 seconds video. Use 30 seconds video to explain the reason why that your product is good. Explain why they should get that product. You can just explain using video, because it's not all ad that requires image. There are some ad now that you are going to run the ad using Facebook, using an image to run that ad, but you are going to get a lesser result. But once you add a video, once you use a video to run that particular ad, then you are going to get a higher result. So you have to know the right ad formats to use, and also make sure that you write, like, the ad copy is well written and understandable. So just go straight to the point. Don't go and be saying stories. Don't go and be saying stories. Some people normally write long ad copy, like the tales will be too much, while some people use short text and they hit point. So just know that for you to be able to run and get good results on your Facebook ad, make sure that you know the right ad format for your business. So now let's look at number three. Number three is implement Facebook pixel. So if you want to run your ad now to a website, you want to run your ad to a website, so you need to install this Facebook pixel. Why you need to install this Facebook pixel? So that Facebook can be able to track the activities going on the website and the interaction that has been going on the website. So to this now, you can get a better result on how your ad is going and the ad performance. So to install Facebook pixel is not hard. So you just need to check my next video or check in the description to know how you can be able to install Facebook pixel. So once you install Facebook pixel, Facebook can be able to track whatsoever activities going on your website, in case you want to run your ad to a website so that people can be able to get something from you or to get an information in that particular website. So number 4 is run retargeting campaigns. Running a retargeting campaign is the best thing you can ever think of doing. So the reason why you need to keep on running retargeting campaign is because most of the people that come across your products for the first time, they won't buy, they will not buy. It's not all people, it's not all users that see your product once and they hit you to and they message you and get that particular product. No. Why you need to keep on running retargeting campaign, so that you can keep on reminding them, this, look at this, so you recently show interest in this, so they will keep on showing them that's your product. Then they will have it in the back of their mind, so once they have seen it for like 3 to 5 times, they are going to buy that product, or they are going to say, okay, let me check what this person is selling, or let me check what this person is doing. So running a retargeting ad is one of the best ads you can start running on Facebook. So don't forget, you can just save your audience. Once you save your audience, because once you save your audience on Facebook, then you can use that audience that you save and then start running your retargeting ad. So if you want to know how you can be able to run Facebook ad from your from Facebook to WhatsApp, so do so to check the link on the description for you to be able to know how to run Facebook from Facebook to WhatsApp, or from Instagram to WhatsApp, anyone that you want to do. So the last one is monitor and adjust. So some of you will just go and create your ad without you monitoring if the ad is working well, if the ad is performing well. So once you have already create your ad and Facebook have approved your ad, the next step you need to do, you need to keep on monitoring that particular ad, know if it's giving you results or not, because you can't just keep wasting money for things that are not giving you the thing that you want. So there are some ads that you are going to run like this on Facebook. So once you run that ad on Facebook, you will be getting impressions but no clicks, nothing, no page purchase, no landing page view, nothing. But Facebook is going to be charged for that impression. So once you have a thing like that, just pause that ad, do some adjustments on the ad copy, then you play the ad again to check if you are going to see some improvements. So just keep on monitoring your ad once Facebook approve your ad. So keep on monitoring it so that you are going to know the how your ad is performing, and how you are spending, and how much Facebook is charging you per results. How much Facebook is charging you per result. So once you follow these 5 steps that I just mentioned, you are going to get a good result using Facebook ads for your business. So Facebook ads is just the most easiest and simplest platform to run adverts, and people these days, they are using Facebook to run adverts for their business. If you want to learn how you can be able to run adverts, a full mentorship class, so I have a course that is going to teach you how you can be able to do that. So to get that course, also check the link on the description. You are going to see a few details about the course, so you are the one to make a decision if you want to go for the course or not. But I'm the one hosting that class. So once you get the course, then you are going to have full access to my mentorship. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video.